Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, our magical world. So in this video, Swaranjali is going to review the ultimate modern kitchen set. So before watching the video, quickly subscribe to my channel for more videos and click the bell button to receive all notifications of my channel, not personalized ones, and hit the like button for more. Let us see which toy does Swaranjali review and unbox. Hi guys, so today we are going to unbox this Barbie Ultimate Kitchen Set. It has 20 plus pieces in it, lights and sounds, and there are boiling sounds and oven timer dings. And you can make pies, make veggies, and there's a sandwich press and fireplace. And there are 5 dough colors included: brown, green, white, yellow, and red. Now let's have a look at the back of the box. So here is the pic of the kitchen set that is in this box, and let's start unboxing it. So let's take it out of the box. और पूरा फट गया। अबे स्टार्ट मत करना। ये टेप लगाते रहते, खोल। So this is the instruction manual. So here is our Barbie Ultimate Kitchen Set. Here is a chopping board, and if you will open it, there are molds to make veggies, and these are hangers in which we can hang our utensils. And if you will come here, this is a fridge that can open up and you can put some drinks in here. Let's close it up. So now let's come on to this part. There are some drawers, but they can't open. And there is a sandwich press. I will show you like this. And right here is the fry press. You can make French fries in it. And here are some shelves that you can put your utensils right here. And at the back there are the backgrounds that right here. There are some backgrounds that shows that now this part is the there is the gas station right over here, and this is the oven. This gas has lights and sounds. Look at that. And I can turn it off. And there is a frying noise, a boiling noise and a frying noise. And over here there is this thing. If you will push it down, then oven timer dings, and that means your pie is ready. So this is the Barbie that come with this kitchen set. It has some white sneakers on, and she has a denim dress right here. She's wearing a denim dress, and she is wearing a apron, and you can take off the apron if you want, like this. You can take off the apron like this, and if you want you can put this on. Now this Barbie has soft hair and golden hairs. Look how soft it is. It's very soft, and she has a pink lipstick on, and that's the Barbie is. And on its apron she has some pink spots on it, as you can see right here. Now we are going to show you its utensils. So now we have this pot in which we can boil things, boil veggies, boil fruits, boil eggs, and this is the pot, and this is its lid. You can put it on, and you can also hang this over here, as you can see. So I am hanging its lid right here, like this, and I'm going to hang this pot over here like this. It also comes with a frying pan, and I'm going to hang this over here also, right there. There it goes. And this set also comes with a mixing spoon, as you can see. I'm going to hang this right over here. And this set comes with some pink tongs, as you can see. I'm going to hang these also here. This set comes with a spatula. I'm gonna hang this right there. Oh, it fell down. Oh, put it right there, and put this like this. This set comes with 2 glasses. I'm going to put them in the fridge. This set comes with 2 knives and 2 forks. Put those right there. 2 knives and 2 forks. We have this thing, I don't know what it is called, but it is used to make sandwiches. So I'm going to put this right there. And this set comes with a yellow colored bowl. I'm going to put this right there. This comes with some model plates. I love the structure of them. I just love it. These plates look so modern. Now we have some Play-Doh, the Barbie dough. We have white dough, yellow dough, brown dough, green dough, and red dough. A second. I want to tell a very cool thing about this sandwich maker. It also has a slider, and it opens up and it closes up like that. I love this. So now we are going to make some veggies. So let's put this thing off. So now I'm going to put the green dough for the broccoli. Let's put it right there. There we go. And we also have a knife. I'm going to put this right there. Then we'll keep this knife over here. Kept. Now we are going to make some tomatoes like this and this
of red Play-Doh.
Yeah, more red Play-Doh. Oh.
What's happening?
Okay, like that. What's going on? I'm gonna put some more red Play-Doh
For the carrot. And now some green Play-Doh. I'll put the green Play-Doh. Open it. There we go. I have put some green that for the carrot. Now it's our time to make the mushroom.
Now the white Play-Doh for the mushrooms. There we go. And I'm gonna take some more Play-Doh. Like that. Now we're going to put this chopping board. Press it hardly.
Now it's time to open it. There we go. It's ready.
Yeah. So,
Time to take everything out. There we go.
here is our carrot.
Here is our tomatoes. There we go. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes.
And look how detailed the broccoli is.
Yeah.
It's so detailed.
Yeah, it's so detailed. The carrot's also very detailed. It looks so detailed.
Tomatoes are also detailed.
Yeah, they're like real tomatoes. Because these are some molds to make your things.
And now let's take
Get
out
the mushrooms.
Look,
Let me
they're
do the
so
second
itsy
one.
bitsy.
Wow, they're so detailed.
Yeah.
Everything's detailed right now. Yeah.
Let's put them right there.
Yeah.
And we made some veggies. Yay.
Yay!
Now let's put them on the chopping board.
And now it's time to cut them from our knife.
Yes.
Alright. Let me cut.
Now we cut them. Now let's put these in the bowl.
Yeah. Let me put everything. Oh, the mushrooms. Can't forget about them.
Going to take the lid.
Yes. Close it
And-
up
Yeah.
and put it on the detailed gas. The modern gas.
So it is lighting up.
Okay, now the second one. Oh, look. It's light and sound. Oh, it's
Oh, it's
done.
now.
Take it out. Let's take it out now.
And let's put it in the bowl.
Yes, and our dolls can have some lovely salad. This
Salad.
is salad. We are making salad today.
And let's put some knife and fork.
Yeah, this knife. Okay.
A knife in there.
Alright, there's the knife. Put them back in the cupboard.
In another section over there.
Yep. Put everything where it was. Close the lids.
Now our salad is ready.
Yay!
Let's put it right there.
I'm gonna eat it. Yum. Okay, let me take the spoon and I'm gonna eat it. My doll is gonna eat it. Yay! I'm very happy I made this lovely salad. Let me eat it. You know the very fun fact that the Barbie doll included in this playset can eat on her own. Let me show you how. She can hold the fork in her hands.
And like this, she can eat their salad.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye bye.
Bye bye.